What's up, everyone? And welcome back to Whistle to Wealth with your host, Ref Randy. You know the drill here. I test the latest and greatest and the absolute worst, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. From tech to tools to just plain bizarre gadgets, I give you the real, no-nonsense truth. Now, have you ever opened a package expecting one thing, but found something completely different? Let me tell you about what happened last week. It started as a typical unboxing day. A plain, unmarked cardboard box arrived at my door. No logos, no labels, nothing. I figured it was just another gadget I'd ordered for a review. The packaging was clean, wrapped tight, and honestly, it looked pretty premium. I was intrigued. I grabbed my trusty scissors, sliced open the tape, and inside, I found an item nestled in some high-quality foam lining. It felt expensive. My first thought was, all right, finally, a solid piece of tech. But as I lifted it out, something felt off. This was definitely not what I ordered. At first glance, it looked like a sleek, modern smart speaker, glossy finish, minimalist design. I was still curious, so I plugged it in. The screen flickered to life, but what it displayed sent a shiver down my spine. It wasn't a standard setup screen. Instead, it showed a welcome message that said, "Hello, Ref Randy. Testing initiated." I just froze. I hadn't set anything up. I hadn't entered any information, yet this thing knew my name. I immediately checked the box again, searching for a serial number, a shipping label, anything that could explain this. There was nothing. This is where it gets really strange. I ran a quick device scan on my network. It wasn't connected to my Wi-Fi, but the moment I moved closer to it, a small light on the device began to pulse. It was almost like it was reacting to my movement, like it had some kind of motion sensor. I know it sounds like something out of a movie, but just stay with me here. At this point, my curiosity was off the charts. I had to know what was inside. I carefully opened it up, expecting to see a standard circuit board. But what I found was a tiny microchip marked with a logo I had never seen before. I did a quick search online and found almost nothing, just a single mention in a deep-cut forum thread about experimental tracking technology. Was this some top-secret prototype sent to me by mistake? A test model that was never meant to leave a lab? The company I ordered from swore they didn't send it, and the serial number didn't exist in their system. So I did what any reviewer would do. I turned it back on. The screen lit up one last time with a simple message. "Thank you for testing." And then, it just powered down for good. It never turned on again. To this day, I have no idea who sent it, why they sent it, or how it knew my name. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most ordinary packages hide the wildest surprises. So I have to ask you, what would you have done? Would you keep a mystery device like that? Or would you get rid of it immediately? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm dying to know. And if you enjoyed this crazy story, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more real reviews. Because here at Whistle to Wealth, I always call it like I see it. Thanks for watching.